Well, I'm having some people come to RCtopia today, and one of our visitors, Matt, brought me 12 3D printed gas cans. And I think I'm going to hide them around RCtopia today for people that can find them, and then have like little treasures they can take home with them. Perfect. All right. Right here. And then the Alder Run. How about right in the crux of the tree? Right there. Mr. Gnome, do you have a gas can for somebody? Yes, sir. There you go. Let's go to RCtopia! Yeah! Have at her! Oh, the discovery. The best part. From your own garden?
Yeah, to yours.
Wow! Cool, Brent. That's gonna hang in the faraway tree, man,
Yes,
in the
man.
willow tree.
Wherever you want it to go, that's where it'll go, and it'll ring in your garden just like it did mine.
Brother,
And this one is a little special because it was out of tune, and so I drilled a hole in it to change the pitch of it to make it sound much more pleasant.
You're incredible. Good job. Thank you, sir. I want you to hang that in the area you find most
I'll go
appropriate.
find a spot.
Thank you. And you, sir. Hello, welcome. What's your name?
Jill.
Nice to meet. Nice.
Meeting you, Aaron.
It's wonderful to meet you too. Welcome to our home.
Thank you.
You've
Thank you.
brought us an offering.
I brought some buoys because I
Yes.
noticed you had lots of water, and I thought, you know what? RC goes over, you can toss a buoy and rescue the RC.
Thank you for bringing something on your first visit for other people to smile at when you leave.
You're very welcome.
Thank you. Please place them anywhere you like in RCtopia.
So this was built by Liam Braun.
Billy, welcome back. This is your third time here and you brought something else for us?
Yes, it has a broken leaf spring, so it's not
Perfect.
good for towing.
It's perfect.
Right? So
Yes.
I thought, hey, I'll bring it down and put it in the...
We're going to have to find a couch to put outside of that, right? Some
Yeah,
sort of
right.
a toilet possibly.
Yeah. That's
Hey,
awesome.
thank you for being so generous.
No problem.
Place it anywhere inside RCtopia today.
will do.
Thank you. We had a friend here last time named Matt Lace. He printed out 12 of these little gas cans. One of them went to my son Morris. The other ones are hidden around RCtopia for you to have when you find one. If you find one, please keep it. If you find another, maybe keep it to yourself or pass it along to somebody else that hasn't found one. Sound good?
That's good.
Enjoy your treasure hunt.
Thank you.
So cool. So I brought out my gas-powered Rockstar, incredibly rare gas-powered boat. Ah, you found one! Congratulations!
I almost took the down.
The tube totter is doable. Very challenging. Oh, you can rescue it. Nice. Dry tires is the secret.
Not a very well sealed water.
Well, and then that as well. Very nice. Don't freak out when it goes down is my only advice. Very... Oh! Oh. Let's try again.
I'm just gonna abort that.
Aborted.
Maybe try it later.
Aborted.
Yeah.
So close. That sounds so good. The sound of laughter. People enjoying being together. Something that so many of us have been longing to hear. There we go. Oh, shoot. Close. Very close.
Lost the light.
Oh, no.
Minus a headlight.
Oh, you got a, yeah, cable hanging out.
Wet tires.
You always want to make sure your cables are inside so they never get wrapped by the tire and then pulled out, possibly ending your day of fun.
Minus.
Very, very cool.
This is much easier when it's not wet.
Oh, right?
Yeah.
The alderwood, every time people have been here, that alderwood has actually been wet from rain. And so tires are slick. My only advice to you, sir, is when it goes down, do not freak out. You can stay in control. Today, everything is nice and dry. And here we go. Very well done. Stay true, it can be done. A beautiful slow crawl. Here's when people normally get excited and screw it up. But no, a steady hand. No counterweight on this to flip his truck at the end, and you, sir, have done it.
Thank you.
Congratulations! Congratulations!
Thank you.
Hello, darling.
Hi.
You made it all the way?
Yeah.
You are crawling with a nice speed motor, 1800 kV brushless, not too...
It's beautiful to look at it from underneath.
Aha!
Beautiful, yeah.
Aha!
Yeah. And so much better when it's not wet.
Yes, agreed. Ah, up into Willow Rise, my faraway tree. A giant willow tree that has paths. Ooh, I see rear steer up there. All different scenarios. You can do this. There it is, there it is. Very,
I gotta see what's going on.
very well done. Yep, you can even see underneath where it is. Nice and wide on this side so you don't have to worry. Everybody getting here early today. The sun low in the sky because it has been a scorcher lately. We all got a nice reprieve from the heat. This is a nice, heavy, weighted truck, you can see, making it easily up to the center of the faraway tree.
It's beautiful here today, Aaron.
Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate that.
Love it.
I'm so happy you're happy. That's what this is all about.
Happy it's around.
Yeah, me too, right? You don't have to worry about dry tires. They just are.
Right? And I made that hill or that there run there. First attempt.
Nice.
Right up
First attempt.
First attempt.
That's why it shouldn't have been that hard, but I'm glad the water does add an element of hardness, but it is still doable.
Yes.
Very good. Oh, here's an iron truck coming down. In this giant roller coaster train type of idea that's been built into a large sky bridge. People are maneuvering their way around. And then into a nice giant drop. So I built all of this by hand, thinning out some of the overgrown alder bush that was around us, helping give other plants some light, but also not wasting any of it. And I thought, we could do this. And it has turned out fantastic. Very good crawling.
I'm liking this.
I'm so glad. I saw your first, I felt bad. In your first two runs, it was very challenging because of the rain.
Because of the rain, yeah.
Yep.
Because of a lot of other things, but we were talking about this on the way up, about the worry about them falling off.
Yes.
And for me, that's part of what makes it, I don't want it to fall off.
I don't want it to fall off.
So that's part of what amps up the excitement.
As slow as possible, as fast as necessary.
Exactly.
This area has had a lot of work done to it to ensure there's multiple ways people can attack it without twisting their tires too badly. Very good. Into another slow incline, into something steep. Hello, Candy. I think Miss Gem there has been excited with finding out how good this Vanquish Optic is. Just got a few upgrades on it, nothing too crazy. Drive shafts, a few decals.
Yeah.
There you go, Mama, good job. Going over the wire
Oh my
bridge.
God, don't get caught in the hole.
I sometimes gotta get under here and walk. I like that.
Actually, the wheelbase on this one's nice. It kind of
Yeah,
rides either side.
it does.
I won't
The
tell you that I got
axle
stuck on
width.
the Alder Run, and I may or may not have given up on that part because I got stuck on that.
Uh-huh.
But I was going the wrong way. There. I do like
Very
this.
good,
Thank
very
you.
good.
Oh,
That's a beautiful
that's
climb.
a beautiful, beautiful.
Candy's looking pretty lonely over there.
You know what? She's right where she needs to be.
Looking pretty.
Looking pretty.
Yeah. Strangers in the day. That
Na,
is.
na, 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 na.
So he's going to go down the other side across the open rails. But the open rails that attach everybody to the outside has a few side rails first to help them get mounted up.
Oh God. Oh geez.
There it is. There it is.
That area is on the hard.
Very good.
Now seeing that, I want to take my second Bronco and take the body off it, put my power wagon body on it.
Nice. There's a cheater log on either side, so I put one on this side that comes to an end, and then I put one on the other side that's got that bend. Oh! To help on the other side. I think I distracted him by accident.
His eye didn't see how the log went narrow on this side.
Yes. I love hearing people figuring out the lines and being excited. There's just something about that. Almost. Oh, you're right in the hanger, and you are high centered. When I designed it, I left this one nut up to make sure that it would hook people up. I'm a little evil now. You know? Oh no! Oh no! All right, looks like everything's intact.
X4 Sport.
Sorry about that.
That's all
I
good,
will
no
stop
worries.
distracting you.
No, it's all no worries.
Oh, this is a good
worries.
idea.
Yeah, kind of. It's your X4. The inner fenders, you have to have the inner fenders to get the tray.
Right.
And I didn't want the inner fenders with this wagon, so I just
Made your own tray.
out of plastic, took some plastic pieces.
That's what this hobby's all
made
about.
my own tray. This way at the weight where I want it to be, and it balances out the truck very well.
Very smart.
I know it's heavy.
Very good. I've designed drop downs in here, right there. That way we can see suspension articulation. And the driver can see all sides anytime they want, including underneath. Mr. Billy waiting in line.
It's quite capable. And I don't have this extra body feel.
Bye-bye.
My truck now. The camera there was actually really helpful.